Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Ramadan Kareem everyone. Today I want to show some Ramadan meal prep ideas which I did for myself. Hope you like them too and try them out. So let's see how I did the meal prep. First I'm going to make taco style cheesy samosas. For that I'm heating some oil in the pan and then putting some minced beef on it. And I'm browning it here, and while browning it you are going to get a lot of water rising on top like this, so you have to drain the water after the meat is browned. Put the pan back into the stove and put some oil in it and put the minced beef in it again and start frying it again. After a while put the chopped carrots in it. Then add chili powder, paprika, garam masala, cumin, salt. And mix well. Then put some ajwa, which is red pepper paste, and then mix well again. And in the end, add some garlic powder and onion powder. So the samosa mixture is done, and the carrots will still be a little bit crunchy, and the meat will also be crunchy. And here we are putting the samosas fillings inside it and putting butter cheese in it, closing it up with flour and water mixture. And my husband is also helping me, alhamdulillah. So this is enough samosas for two of us, and you can freeze the rest. I fried one to show you, very cheesy and yummy. Next I'm going to make shrimp cream cheese rolls, and for that I have cut up some black tiger shrimps, and in that I'm adding salt, garlic powder, paprika, and mixed ground pepper. Mix it well. And then fry them in a little bit of oil in the pan until they turn like this. And then add some cream cheese. I have used a light one. Add some mixed ground pepper again, and some dill. Mix properly. And then here I am making rolls out of them and wrapping them up nicely. And husband is helping me again here. Here they are done, and you can also freeze them. I fried one to show you how it looks inside. Very, very yummy. Next I'm making Turkish style beef kebab, and for that I'm putting salt, onion and garlic powder, paprika, cumin powder, oregano, sumak powder, and mixing it well with minced beef. Next I'm adding egg and some breadcrumbs and mixing it well again so it holds nicely together. And with the help of some oil, I'm trying to form it nicely into oval shapes like this. After they are done, you can store them in the freezer, and also you can fry them or bake them, and they taste very nice in pita bread as kebab wraps. So I'm going to brush some ghee on top and put it in the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and here they look very nice, yummy. Next I'm making chicken balls, and for that I have minced some chicken in the food processor I'm adding salt, mixed pepper, fish sauce, Worcestershire sauce, hopefully I said that right, onion and garlic powder as usual, some paprika, a lot of actually, and dill. Mix well. And then form them into little balls with the help of some water if it's sticking too much to your hands. After that, put them into a steamer. They should be done very quickly. It shouldn't take too long. And when they're done, they're going to look like this. Take them off and cool them before trying to store them in the freezer. And if you want to have it like right away, just like I did, shallow fry in the pan. They will turn golden brown like this. And here you go. They taste amazing with sweet chili sauce. You must try it. So there you go. I hope you liked these ideas. If you did, please like and subscribe for more. For the next few uploads, I'm going to focus a bit more on healthy Ramadan food ideas, since it's actually not good to have too much fried food in Ramadan. But for little snacks every now and then, it should be okay. Thanks for watching and see you soon, inshallah.